there. It's time for a new episode of Math with Tutor Jannylie, and for today, we are gonna do a review of all the multiplication properties that we have discussed before. So let's start. First, the commutative property. It says that changing the order of the two numbers that we are multiplying doesn't change the answer. Meanwhile, associative property states that whether we change the groupings of the numbers that we are multiplying, the answers will always be the same. Identity property states that any number multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. While the zero property of multiplication states that any number multiplied by 0, the product or the answer is always 0. Okay, so let's do some exercises and let's identify the multiplication property used in each equation. So number 1, 2 times 3 is equal to 3 times 2. We are changing the order of the number. So this is a commutative property of multiplication. Number 2, 0 times 7 is equal to 0. This is zero property of multiplication. 1 times 6 is equal to 6. Identity property of multiplication since we are dealing with multiplication by 1. And number 4, 2 times parenthesis 4 times 5 parenthesis, that's equal to parenthesis 2 times 4 parenthesis times 5. It's groupings of numbers. So this is associative property of multiplication. Number 5, order of numbers. So CPM or commutative property of multiplication. Number 6, that's groupings of numbers. So associative property of multiplication. Next, 12 times 0 is equal to 0. That is zero property of multiplication. How about 37 times 1 is equal to 37? Identity property of multiplication. 2 times 7 is equal to 7 times 2. That is commutative property of multiplication. And number 10, what's the answer? The answer is the answer is associative property of multiplication since we are dealing with groupings of the numbers, right? Like 5 times parenthesis 2 times 3 parenthesis, that is equal to 5 times 2 parenthesis times 3. Okay, we will still get the same answer, which is 30. Okay, that's it. That's it. This is easy, right? Dealing with properties of multiplication is easy. Okay, so that's it for today's episode of Math with Tutor Jannylie. And for those who do not know, I opened a new YouTube channel and I will upload the Math with Tutor Jannylie episodes there alongside with other videos related to my online tutoring journey. So I can't wait to see every single one of you there on my YouTube channel. And also, I want to announce that I still have few more tutoring spots open. So if you're looking for an online math tutor for your child this school year, then message me today. And everybody, let me just remind you, it's already October. It's time to check your child's academic progress before the report cards come out. Seriously, do not wait. Message me today and let's discuss how we can work together to guide your child towards academic success. Let's do a free assessment and then let's give your child the support that they need as soon as possible. Okay, so message me today and thank you for watching Math with Tutor Jannylie episode 17. See you next week. Bye-bye!